Okay guys, let's try a new thing in my kitchen. Look what I have here on the stove. It is a grill pan. So let's try frying plantain today. Ripe plantain with this grill pan, like in place of the fryer. So here comes the rack. Then I think it needs some more oil. So let's add oil. No, plantain likes a lot of oil, so more oil comes in while we get the oil heated up. Let's allow it to heat. Then comes in the plantain. So the oil is heating now. The oil is heating. Okay, here comes the big plantain. Let's dip it and wait and see how it goes. Oh, wow. Wow. Look what the result is. Is it not easy? Very easy. Thank you guys.